Hello everyone. So we have a bit of a different video today. As you've seen, we are at ITG. So for the ones that don't know, the air filters we've been developing and all the airflow stuff we've been working with ITG. We chose ITG because they have a massive background on motorsport, and even though many people haven't heard about them, they're actually prominent on the motorsport scene, touring car, Formula One, WRC car, so the proper stuff. And we believe if there's anyone that knows how things want to perform, they will be the guys, because it's embedded on them. That's how they started their business. Many people like on motorsport will know ITG very well, but some people outside motorsport will not really know the brand. They will be more familiar with brands like K&N and Ramer. I'm not saying they are bad brands, but this is a brand we prefer to work with because of their background. And again, as we always focusing on the best performance and quality, we decided to do the development together with ITG. It's a great team to work with, and definitely they will always deliver the best they can within their ability. Now we're going to see the process, how things work. We're going to interact with Dom. Dom is one of the faces here at ITG. He can explain the company to everyone, what they do and what they are good at. So guys, in here we have Adam. He's currently working on a new design for the necks of the filter. So this is the part that goes onto bolts onto the airbox, and the rest of the filter is assembled on it. He can do an explanation how the process goes. So it's not as simple as people think, which is just like pouring. Everything has to be designed, and everything is being done from scratch on these air filters. So Adam, do you mind explaining to the viewers?
Yes, of course. So we've got our mould here that makes the rubber bell mouth you see here. Put these parts together. Like so. PU in the top, and then we get the filter.
So we changed the area of ITG now. We are on a meeting room with Dom. I'm going to introduce you guys to Dom. So Dom is the face of ITG. He will tell you a little bit about the ITG history and what they do and the thought of process on things. So this is Dom.
Thanks, Bruno.
Thank you for your time, Dom.
Nice to see you again.
Yeah, good to see you as always.
So our ITG, we were established in 1987. So we've been around a reasonable amount of time. We know what we're doing. Typically, performance air filtration and competitive induction kits and systems. So predominantly, we've operated in the motorsport space. But over the more recent years, we've started engaging with partners like you, developing new products for the normal commercial market.
It has been a really, really good experience in my eyes. Always paying attention to detail. We work a lot with feedback as well, so when we develop a new product, I go on the dyno, test it, we bounce back from each other, and it always has worked really well because everyone is almost learning at the same time. They have all the experience and expertise on fabricating a part, but then I can give the feedback on how I think it could work better. Doesn't mean I'm going to be right. They will have the upper hand on saying no, because this will cause a problem on a different area. Because an air filter is, as I explained to you in the past, is just not about letting the air going through. It also has a lot to do with the airspeed and airboxes and the shape of everything. But this is an area where we're going to do a video later. But as I said, the reason why we are with you is because we've seen what you guys do on the motorsport and the performance, the quality. and like someone has told us, like if you want to do a proper development, you have to go and work with ITG. And generally we've been working together now. It was before even joining.
It was,
the team.
yeah, a few years.
And
I think.
like we always have very good experience, very supportive, and always deliver really high quality products.
That's great to hear.
So you know, it's we're very pleased. Thank you for letting us video around. We haven't shown much
Not a
today.
problem. Just a teaser.
Just a teaser, but there's another video coming that we are doing with ITG, a more technical stuff. The stuff you guys really like watching when I do tech talks. We're going to do a tech talk with ITG in the future. And I think everyone is going to be very excited to see that. So once again, thank you for tuning in and for this video. And Dom, once again, thank you for allowing us to do our bit of footage. And guys, general air filters, just go to ITG. They have quite a big catalog of things, and certain filters you can always adapt to your build or to your car, whatever you want. The filters generally work really well. I compare them with other brands, and this is why we chose to work with them. The first time we actually met, you don't know this, I met with Richard, and he gave me a few filters for a race car I had, and just go, you go and try it in your dyno against the things you have. And like I saw the difference straight away. They gave me the product to test, so it's like, yeah, we know what we're doing, we have full confidence how well it's going to work. And yeah, this is like was a very solid base for me to start working with, because as you guys know, we do put a lot of time into our development, and we have to work with a company like you guys that offers consistent performance.
Well, it's one of our benchmarks is it has to work correctly. That's the first point. Secondly, it has to be of premium quality. Unlike a vast majority of filter makers, it's not what we do.
Yeah.
You know, we like to look at everything in the round, and it's not just about replacing the panel filter in your car. It's, as you've said, it's about managing that air in the right fashion to maximise the performance of the engine. And as such, we've kind of specialised in the small batch and low volume specialty applications like you guys are utilising, and in motorsport rather than the general filtration market. But with a bit of help, we'll penetrate that market as well.
Yeah, it's like it's a quality product for sure. It's like it's very different when you start also looking at the small details in manufacturing. Like I was lucky enough and fortunate enough to be able to see the way things are done. You can definitely tell where the differences are, and it's like this is why they will have of course a premium price attached to it, but you can see where the money is going to. Again, as I said earlier, it's not about the price. Expense only becomes an expense when it doesn't have a justified value. When you pay for quality, is value you're buying. So it's different. Yep. This is why we chose to work with you. We could have worked with partners that would deliver the things at the cheaper price range, but that's not what we're looking for. We want to deliver to our customers exactly the same as you. So this is why I find our collaboration works so well.
Fantastic. Long may it continue.
Yes, hopefully. It's all good. Guys, thank you very much for tuning in. Stay tuned for the next one. The tech video is going to be with someone else, and it's going to be very interesting.